Hi, you are watching Farming Discover channel. Now we will show a video on world's most smaller tractor. It is known as KisanVilla mini tiller. The machine is best for farmers and when they are facing problems like in mountain place where tractor can't move, and best for cultivation of land for vegetable farming. Thus it will save your money as well as time. The machine is lightweighted, petrol-operated 2-stroke 63cc engine, single cylinder and a powerful engine, and the best thing is machine operating is easier. The machine covers 18 inches of space land while tilling. This has strong body and cultivator attachment so that you can be worked in hard soil. This mini tiller machine comes in 3 model 52cc, 63cc and 7 HP. And price starts from Rs 15,000. If you want to buy this machine, contact this number. Thank you for watching. Like the video and share with your friends. And if not subscribed our channel, subscribe Farming Discover channel.